Hi, this is Griffith David, CEO and founder of Habanero Foods. At Habanero, we help you cook like a chef in the comfort of your home. I hope you've been enjoying the series of videos that we've been putting out for you. I've been enjoying doing it for you. Today, we're going to do a peri-peri chicken wrap. Let's get cooking. Today we're going to do the chicken peri-peri chicken wrap. For that we're going to use the Habanero peri-peri sauce. This sauce uses bird-eye chili, uses habanero chilies, and a bunch of our own secret ingredients. So it's a perfect sauce for this product. We're going to marinate this chicken. We finished cooking the peri-peri chicken. Now we're going to assemble it together. We're going to assemble the peri-peri chicken wrap.